दे रहे हो नहीं? A very good morning, class 4 children. Today, as a part of our last syllabus, we will be doing a poem which is a very simple poem about a river. Now, let's take out page 120 and read this poem. A river journeys from the mountain to the plains. In this poem, the poet describes a river as if it is a person who does different things and has many different moods. Now, here the author or the poet has has compared, or he is not compared, he has metaphors the river with different things. Like, he has told river as a wanderer. Now, what is a wanderer? A person who wanders from one place to another. The river, the rivers a wanderer, the rivers a wanderer. Rivers means the river is a wanderer. Now here rivers apostrophe s means we are saying the river is a wanderer. The river's a wanderer, a nomad, a tramp. She doesn't choose one place to set up her camp. Now, what does this paragraph mean? That a river is just like a wanderer. It is moving, it is coming from the mountains, going to the plains, then again going to the oceans, then again come back from the oceans to the mountains in the form of river, hmm, and then come back to the plains, and then so on and so on. So it is a wanderer. It is not stationary. It is not stationary. It is wandering from one place to another. It is a nomad. Now, who is a nomad? A person who just moves from one place to another in search of food. He is a tramp. What do you mean by tramp? A person who has no home or job and keeps moving from one place to another. She doesn't choose one place to set up her camp. So she doesn't set up her camp, or she doesn't stay at one place. She doesn't make her home at one place and stay there for long, because she is a wanderer. She has to move from one place to another. So this is the first paragraph. Second, the river's a winder. Now, what do you mean by winder? It's not straight. It has lot of twists and turns, lot of curls in his adventure, in his movement. The river's a winder through valley and hill, because it is moving through valleys and through hills. Now, when through hills the river is coming down, it has to come in a twist form, in a twisted form. And through valleys, what is a valley? There is a land between two mountains is a valley. So when the river comes through mountain to the valleys, again it has lot of twists and turns. She twists and she turns, she just cannot be still. She is not still. She is not still at one place. She has lot of twists and turns in its movement, in its journey. The river's a hoarder. Now, why it is compared? It's not compared. The river has been called as a hoarder. It is a metaphor. You must have done metaphor in your last poems, that there is a simile and there is a metaphor. Simile means when you compare something with somebody, and metaphor means when you make that person, and when you make that thing, that thing, you don't compare, you tell that this person is like this. So here we are saying a river is a hoarder. A river is a hoarder. Now, what is a hoarder? Hoarder means a person who deposits many things, or he deposits, or who collects things and keeps them with them. So river is a hoarder. She buries down deep all those little treasures she wants to keep. So, whatever you throw in the river, it doesn't come out. Maybe if you throw a necklace, or you throw out your waste, or anything, if you throw in a river, it just goes inside the bed of the river and it doesn't come out. It doesn't come out. So, that means the river is a hoarder. Then the river's a baby. How the river is a baby? She gurgles. The way a small child gurgles when he is laughing, he just takes out a lot of sounds. The river is also taking sound and hums, and sounds like she is happily sucking a thumb, as if when when she is laughing and when she is moving, it looks as if she is she's happy, she's showing happy mood, and she's sucking a thumb. The river is a singer. The river is a singer. She dances all along. She's all dances all the time. The countryside echoes the notes of a song, and everyone around the countryside, they can hear the sound of the river and they can hear the notes of a song. So, children, this is a poem on river which is very easy to remember and very easy to remember and very easy to pronounce also, because the words are very simple. And I have already told you what is a metaphor. Metaphor means when you make a thing, when you make a thing the way you when you make a thing, or when you don't compare, when you just tell that this thing is like that only. This thing is a child, this thing is a hoarder, the river is a winder, it is a wanderer. Okay, now in the next page you have to just read the table headings and write at least 5 words in each table, rhyming word pairs from the poem. It is very easy. Rhyming words: tramp, camp, hill, still, deep, keep, hums, thumbs, and along, song. And metaphors used to describe the river. Now, what metaphor? Wanderer, winder, hoarder, baby, and singer. Just write this, and tomorrow we'll be doing question number 2, 3, and 4. And you can remember the poem, which is very easy because it doesn't have much difficulty in remembering, and even the meaning of the whole poem is very easy. You can always remember. So, children, just do this page number 121, question number 1 in your book, and at least read this poem 3 times and learn it. It's very easy, it's not difficult. The word meanings are also very easy. You can always learn it. So, thank you and have a nice day.